Hey class, I'm going to read out loud a fiction story in Read Works to you. I want to buy a computer game. Follow along with me and then watch my other video where I model for you asking questions before the reading, during the reading, and after the reading. Louis was excited. The new computer game he wanted was finally in stores. The game is here, he told his mom. Can we buy it? How much does it cost? Louis' mom asked. $35, he replied. That is a lot of money, Louis. Do you have enough to buy it yourself? He shook his head. You know, Louise, we have to spend our money carefully. We have to pay for our house and food. We need to buy clothing and books and gas for our car. Our money goes to things we need. But I really want this game, answered Louise. What can I do? You get $8 a week for doing chores, his mom said. Try to save it. Before long, you will have enough to pay for the game. I do not think so, said Louise. By then, all the games will be sold. Try it, replied his mother. Weeks later, Louise came home very happy. Guess what, Mama? I did what you said. I saved my chore money. Then I saw the game was on sale. Today, I bought it for $28. And his mother added, you did it with your own money.